Numerous women experience issues such as swollen and painful feet, capillaries, and visible veins. These problems indicate that the blood vessels are weakened, usually due to external and sometimes due to internal factors. Apparently, the causes of varicose veins are diverse, and women of every age can suffer from this issue. Sometimes, the situation can become worse in just a few months, and sometimes, in a few years. It can often happen due to longer periods of standing. Moreover, the situation may be significantly aggravated due to the wearing of uncomfortable shoes, high heels, pregnancy, or malnutrition. Veins can weaken due to the consumption of sugar and fatty acids as they lead to inflammation. Nevertheless, the consumption of high amounts of vitamin C prevents the weakening of veins. Fortunately, you can naturally treat these issues, and this is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, ½ cup of finely chopped carrots, ½ cup of apple cider vinegar. Method of preparation: place all the ingredients in a blender or mixer and blend them in order to prepare a fine paste. If you need more pasta, you can double the amounts of ingredients used. Use: apply the paste to the affected areas and cover it with a bandage, if needed. Leave the paste to act for half an hour and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, keep the legs raised during this time, and repeat on a daily basis until you feel the improvements. The beneficial effect of this natural remedy is due to its ingredients, namely, apple cider vinegar prevents blood clots, as it can act as an anticoagulant. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which are extremely advantageous for the skin, and the aloe vera gel has been admired for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties for years.